Hello viewers, Um welcome to this video. I'm not sure if anyone is still be installing Windows 7 because Windows 7 is a very old operating system, and now we have Windows 10, Windows 11. But if you need to use an old computer or laptop, if you are using your old laptop or your old computer, you need to use Windows 7 because if you install Windows 10 or 11 on an old computer like this one, I'm using a first generation laptop. This is HP EliteBook 2540p. On this laptop I cannot install Windows 10, Windows 11 because it will be very much slow. So I have installed Windows 7 on this laptop. After installing Windows 7, I get some problem. First of all, I need to install update device drivers. In this laptop, I cannot install a Wi-Fi driver here. You can see in the network drivers I have only a gigabit LAN adapter installed, which I have here connected to my internet router on LAN cable, but I need to install Wi-Fi device driver. First of all, let's see what the problem I get when I try to update this driver, because laptop is connected to internet and it should update the Wi-Fi driver, but it gives me an error: Windows was unable to install your network controller. So you can see internet is connected, but still it doesn't update the driver. So another problem I am facing when I try to update Windows. See, update. When I want to update Windows, I get another error code. So let's see where's the error code coming up. So here you can see we got an error code of 80072EFE, Windows update encountered an unknown error. So these two problems are very common when you fresh install Windows 7 on laptop. First one, you cannot update device drivers, and the second one is you cannot update Windows 7. You always get this error code. So what is the solution for this error? The solution is you have to install a Microsoft release file update. First you have to download and install this update. I have already downloaded this file, which is almost 3 MB file. I will put the download description in download link in the description, and you can download from there. After downloading, install this file, and after installation, try to update the Wi-Fi driver and try Windows update. So it will be fine. So now I have already downloaded this file here. This is KB3138612. So you have to install it, download it for 62 or 32 bit, whichever your system is compatible for. So let's install this file. Do you want to install the following software? So now it is installing. So you see here is there is error is there. So after installation, the laptop will be restarted and the update issue will be resolved. I'll pause the video for some time here. Now you can see installation complete. You must restart your computer for updates to take effect. So let's close this. Let me stop this video here. After that I will resume. So we have restarted our laptop after installing this file. You can see KB3138612. I will put the download link in the description. We have installed, and after installation laptop asks for restart. We have restarted our laptop. So you can see our LAN is connected, and let's first try to update our Wi-Fi driver. Here you can see it's network controller unknown. Still we don't have the Wi-Fi driver. Now so let's see update software, if it update or still it says Windows cannot install this driver. Let's check it. Sorry, it's taking some time depending on the internet speed. Let me pause the video for some time. So meanwhile it's searching for online device driver. Let's try Windows Update on side by side so we save time. Let's go to Windows Update. Check for updates. Let's see. I'm clicking here. So let's see that your Wi-Fi device driver update is also in process, and Windows Update is also in process. Check. Still we didn't get any error so far. I paused the video to save time, so we can see my Wi-Fi driver has been updated and installed, and you can see Intel Centrino Wi-Fi driver has been installed. So now one problem has been solved, and we are waiting for Windows Update error, the primary error for which we were searching for the solution. Let's see if this Windows Update error resolved or not. Second problem has been resolved. Now here you can see our Wi-Fi driver has been installed. Here you can see here it has been installed now. So let's wait for this Windows Update error, if it solved or not. So guys, this Windows update is still checking for update. So we have observed that before installation of that update file, this error came up very early, and now we don't see this error, but it is taking too much time because the updates are there are a lot of updates, so it will take a few hours. So I have done it previously, and this is the 100% solution for this error. And best of luck for you. Download the file, install, and resolve your problem. Thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends.